I'm going to show you how to create a new channel on your YouTube. So first you click your channel icon to the top right of the screen. Go to YouTube Studio. This is your channel dashboard if you already have a channel. If you don't, you'll be prompted to create a channel. So you click Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings. You scroll all the way down. Click Manage YouTube Account. From here, it'll show you the channel you already have. You click Add or Manage Your Channels, and you'll see an option to create a new channel. I already created it. It's going to prompt you how to actually do it if you want to create a new channel. But once you create it, this is how you'll be able to switch back and forth between your channels. It'll have its own dashboard. It'll show you all your content. It's empty here because I just created this channel. But if I switch back to my previous channel, you click switch account. I'm going to go back to the original dashboard. This shows you all the content I already have. You're able to upload videos, go live, create a post, new playlist, new podcast. You upload your content. It'll show you how your content performs against your other content, and you can click it to get more details. It'll show you how long people have watched your video, who's watching it, where they're from, the reach and engagement. When you go to your actual channel, you click your channel icon, click your channel. It'll show you what you've uploaded from a user's perspective. So the top portion are your videos, your long form horizontal videos. Click shorts. Shorts is more like reels. You can add music, copyrighted music. You can have vertical videos here. Playlists. You can create playlists of your own content, or like I have here, vegan meal ideas. I add ideas from other content creators there. And then they have posts on YouTube too. I don't use this as often, so I'm not as familiar with that, but you can make actual static posts on YouTube as well. If you like content like this, let me know and I'll make more. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe.